Cognee AI has just been released, and it's making waves in the world of AI software. If you're looking for a powerful, efficient tool that can help you with automation and business growth, this review of Cognee AI will give you 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Stick around till the end because I'm going to share why it might just be the best AI software for your business right now. Now, before we dive into the details, if you're looking to try Cognee AI for yourself, you can get started completely free with the first link in the description below. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to know about Cognee AI is its versatility. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or small business owner, Cognee AI is designed to streamline your workflows and improve efficiency. It's built to save time and money by automating complex tasks that usually require hours of manual work. From lead generation to content creation, the possibilities are endless. One of the standout features of Cognee AI is its natural language processing abilities. Cognee uses advanced machine learning algorithms to understand and generate human-like text that can be used for a wide range of purposes, including emails, social media posts, or even product descriptions. What's impressive is how intuitive it is for someone who's not a tech expert. You can start using it without having to dive deep into complex setups. The second crucial thing you need to know is its integration capabilities. Cognee AI works seamlessly with a variety of platforms, including CRMs, marketing automation tools, and even Google Ads. This means you can incorporate it into your existing tech stack without any hassle. For example, if you're running ads or using email marketing, Cognee AI can help you optimize campaigns by creating better targeted content, saving you a ton of time and effort. Next up, let's talk about the learning curve. A big concern for many when using new AI software is how easy it is to get started. With Cognee AI, the learning curve is minimal. The interface is clean and user-friendly, so you can quickly get the hang of it without getting overwhelmed. There's also a ton of tutorials and resources available, so if you're ever stuck, you won't have trouble finding help. Another thing worth mentioning is its data-driven approach. Cognee AI doesn't just create content or manage tasks, it analyzes data and provides actionable insights. Whether it's understanding customer behavior, identifying trends, or optimizing your marketing efforts, Cognee helps you make smarter decisions. It's like having an AI-powered marketing assistant who is constantly learning from your data to improve results. What sets Cognee apart from other AI tools is its customization options. You can tailor the software to your specific needs. Whether you're focused on increasing your sales, improving customer engagement, or enhancing your content strategy, Cognee AI adapts to your goals. This is especially useful for businesses that want a personalized solution rather than a one-size-fits-all tool. In terms of pricing, Cognee AI offers flexible plans that cater to different business sizes and needs. And as I mentioned earlier, you can start using it for free right now. That's a huge plus, especially if you're just getting into AI tools and want to test it out before committing to a paid plan. Finally, let's talk about the community and support. Cognee AI is backed by a strong support team and an active community of users. This means you won't be left on your own if you run into any issues. You can expect timely support, whether you need technical assistance or have general questions about using the software. To sum it up, Cognee AI is a powerful, user-friendly tool that offers automation, integration, and data-driven insights to help businesses grow. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to harness the power of AI without getting bogged down by complexity. If you're interested in trying Cognee AI, make sure to click the first link below to start your free trial. And by the way, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down my top recommendations for AI software. You can check them out in the description below. Trust me, these are tools that can truly take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching.